Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to your Google Workspace account step by step. Whether you're a student, an employee, or someone managing their own business. To begin, open up your Chrome browser and type Google Workspace into the search bar. Once the results appear, click on the official Google Workspace website. Make sure it's the official site so that your account stays safe and secure. When the page loads, you'll see an option called Admin Console. Click on it and you'll be directed to the login page. Here, you'll need to enter your Google Workspace email ID, then type in your password. Once everything is entered correctly, you'll be taken straight to your page where select Gmail of Workshop. Through Dashboard open from here, you can access Gmail, Google Drive, Docs, Calendar, Meet, and all the other services that are included. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to hit the like button, leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tech guides.